In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect scope in Simulink. Now, the scope block displays a signal versus time, okay? So you use it to see your output waveform. So I'm going to show you how to actually do this right now. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, the most basic way is to just basically have like a sync and then like some sine wave and gain or something like that. So let me show you how to do this. You want to go in here and I'm just going to look for syncs over here. So if I go into syncs here, you'll be able to see there's the scope. Of course, we're going to need this, but I'm going to just drag it on for later. There we go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put on a sine wave. So I'm going to type in sine wave. There we go. It's going to pop it up inside results like this. Okay. And I'm actually going to pop it up like that. Okay. So sine wave is going to be the first one. And then I'm also going to have some gain like this. There we go. Let me actually wait for this to find. Okay, gain is going to be the second one, and then what I'm going to do here is actually connect these two. Okay, so to connect them you have to basically click and drag over here, and you can see it's going to kind of connect like this. You can leave it like that, and then the third one is going to be our scope, because of course for this tutorial we're actually connecting a scope in Simulink. Now whenever you do that, you have to go to this gain over here, click and drag again towards scope, and it's going to create an arrow like that. As you can see, it's not working, and I can go ahead and double click on scope here, for example, and if I run it, you'll be able to see that everything is actually working. So that's how to connect a scope. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.